I'm now initiating Security Protocol Alpha Bravo Caret, which is a series of tests designed to evaluate your humanity and reveal any aliens hiding amongst you. I've determined that 3 of you are secretly aliens.
Ooh.
Oh.
Ooh, some of y'all dirty.
How many of y'all?
Cool, I'm human.
I'm human, y'all.
I'm human.
We're gonna put some people in here who I do not trust off the bat. I do not trust y'all.
At least you know how that feels about y'all now. He never trusts y'all.
Wow.
You heard that, right?
If you eat one dish every meal for a year.
Hey, that's good.
Caesar salad? What?
Wait.
I don't know, just food.
Alright,
Why would he
Caesar salad?
Caesar
and food,
salad.
It's a little weird.
Food is too
I don't want to be
different.
starving, man.
But
This man has never eaten a Caesar salad.
Eat everyone.
We got 2 of them now. No, I put destroy everyone, but I'm pretty sure it's Theo.
Destroy everyone?
Yeah, it's Hunger Games.
It's Hunger Games. You're trying to win.
Wait, it should be Big Mac and that then.
If you're talking about the
Once and
movies,
for
yes,
all.
but if you're just a representative of your district.
Yeah, because you're just a representative. That's how I read.
No,
Wait,
in
what
Hunger Games, I'll put it into this once and for all. There's a way to get rid of that.
You guys can test me again, but Theo's an alien, pretty
What the
sure.
hell? That's bullshit. Wait, that's how you win Battle Royale.
you gotta find 2 more aliens, guys.
Chris is an alien and Theo's an alien.
Oh, we gotta find 1 more then.
Wait, if I'm an alien, then H2O is an alien.
I am not an alien.
What?
I'm not an alien.
What the hell?
What the heck is this?
Whoa, what is that?
Oh yeah! Look at that sun. That's day. Day, sun. All 3 of y'all bad people.
It's almost like the 4th of July.
For what country?
France.
Oh, I didn't know. Oh, I thought it was a band.
Everyone drew something sort of similar. Lambit.
Yeah!
What's
y'all
that?
done messed up, Ava.
So I wonder.
Okay,
Why
what
is
is?
Theo
What is that?
It's a flying
Yo.
duck.
Yeah.
What is wrong with your duck?
That is a very
That's
It's a happy
happy
duck.
duck.
I have a happy duck!
Why is the pinkies on the
Okay, yeah.
Oh.
Public nudity.
Oh.
Pick a restaurant for your wedding.
There's no way
It
all
always
these
split
are,
half
but-
and-
Hey, it's not me. I promise y'all that.
Dude, we gotta hack that because my prompt was like,
Yeah.
it said,
No.
which one would you like argue about?
It is Lam Bam Dat and Dang Lam.
It's Chris.
Yeah, we got hacked. It's Chris, dude. It's Chris.
Dude,
It's
it
Chris.
is not
You
me.
got hacked. Theo
You
put
did.
you in
I
there.
put you in.
Oh no, but why?
Fucking call my duck. My duck was a happy duck. He went quack quack.
Do not vote for this one. Don't do this one.
Lam Bam.
That is not an alien.
Alright?
Yo,
Dude, look at my answers. Look at my
I promise
answers.
you, that is an alien.
At least one of them is the alien. Wait, you lose if one of them is human?
Yeah.
You lose if one of us is human.
Look,
Oh, never mind. Get out. Get out.
No, get me
No, I'm
out of
pretty
here.
sure-
Bad captain. Bad captain.
No! No! You guys are crazy.
It's freaking Chris, dude.
Y'all are crazy.
God damn.
Oh my god, Big Mac, why did you lock in?
Oh no, what happened?
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, that was my first choice. Uh-huh. It was. Look, the one on the right looks almost like a frog too. So I was like, yes, yes, no, yes.
Yeah, I
But
told
you get the 3rd one wrong too, though.
Yeah.
That also looks like that one. God damn it.
1 dot in the middle, 1 dot in the bottom.
Dang, I need you to push the button, dang! Press and hold the button.
Wait, who?
Thank you.
Is it me?
Dang, you gotta put in that, Theo, and Lam Bam.
No. No. You're gonna lose. You're gonna lose.
Yeah.
Theo and Lam Bam.
Do not do that. It's
we got
Chris.
I do not believe in these allegations.
Chris,
Confirm or deny.
there's
these
no
actions.
need.
There's so
I
much
can either
noise.
Confirm or deny.
Chris put Caesar salad for every meal for 1 year. That is
We
not
gotta
his.
send them. We only got 47 seconds.
He would say fried chicken. I know that man. That's my friend.
Oh my god, they're
Don't
all
do it.
voting.
No, don't. Chris.
Save us.
Chris is the back.
Okay, we have.
I
Chris,
agree.
Theo, and Lam Bam,
God.
you are going home where you belong.
That you betrayed.
Why?
Yeah.
What?
Why?
Crystal, I need you to press the button.
Why do y'all?
You want me to press the button?
Yeah. You have to.
Inside the room
Yes.
right
Why are
now.
you wasting time?
What
What is this boomer's doing?
Crystal, it's
Chris, Theo, and
Lamb
Lamb.
Lamb.
Yes.
Wait, I put this in last time. Y'all said no.
I don't think
Exactly.
it's Chris.
We have like 30 seconds left.
Sid.
What up?
Oh.
Bunch of pansies, guys. Come on. Just
As
say
Benjamin
yes.
Franklin once said, all men are proclaimed innocent.
Still here and sit.
Oh,
Oh
jeez.
my
Okay.
god.
Thank you.
You guys just wanna like lose.
It's not
No,
me.
it's not.
It's not me.
Not.
I think it's Sid.
Yo, it's not me either. Why am I in here all the time?
No, y'all are.
Oh my.
Oh no!
We got it wrong, y'all.
As Benjamin Franklin once said,
Look,
electricity. Well,
nice.
Yeah.
Oh,
Big Mac.
Oh, so close.
It's Chris.
It's
No,
that.
Chris.
It's Crystal.
Oh, Crystal.
Oh, Sid.
Everyone was voting yes, and Sid was like really patiently waiting.
I seriously thought I was gonna lose that one.
Well, we got 2.
I thought you needed her to. Y'all just kept fighting each other.
The last 5 minutes of that was just consistent yelling.